Hey guys, do you really think a storm is coming in? The other trades are packing up. We're not leaving until it starts raining. I don't believe it until I see it. So Valeria and I, we're about to. Hello.
Hello.
We're about to keep working until those clouds burst with euphoria. Okay, we're gonna keep working. In the third building here, we'll see how much we can accomplish before we have to run away. Bye guys. Oh, the clouds are dark. Yeah, what do you think? Nah, it's not gonna rain. At least not in the next hour. I don't believe it. We'll see.